Hello everyone, this is shell script programming. You should know the basic commands of Unix. If you don't know, go and watch my playlist, a complete Unix course, then watch this one. What is shell script? Shell script is a group of Unix commands and shell keywords. The main purpose is to get more environment freely. We can create multiple commands. So different types of shells are there. Bourne shell. The prompt is dollar. Interpreter is sh and corn shell. This is also prompt is dollar. Interpreter is ksh. Csh shell. This is a percentage. Interpreter is csh. Bash shell. This is also dollar sh or psh. Z shell. Same here also dollar zsh. So different flavors of Linux is having different types of shells. Example, Linux and Mac is having by default only bash shell. Solaris and HPUX having Bourne shell. IBM AX have K shell, KSH. Okay, like this. And every user must have one shell that can be assigned by the admin. To see what is the shell here, echo dollar shell. So bash in Linux, bash or Bourne shell both are same. So where this shell is existed, this is the main directory /bin. Okay, cd bin ls star sh bash csh ksh sh. Bash and sh are same, so ksh and chs are the shells. See, for example, help is the one command to get the help information in bash. Okay, I got something in bash. Now I'm going to csh help. So in csh help is not the command. If I press exit, then I'm going back to the bash. Ksh help. So here also no keyword exit. Now I'm in bash. To see where I am, echo $0 in bash, right? Csh echo $0 csh exit. So exit. Then alias. Alias is a just naming alternative name to any command. For example, ls-l, it must give long list but in the directory. Okay, I'm just removing the previous directory. ll is also same. Okay, clear is a command to clear the screen, right? Now I'm going to create one alias. See first, c is the command not found. Okay, now alias c equal to single quotes clear. Okay, when I press C and enter, it's executed, right? Alias word count of a file. Okay, let's see. Cat a file wc-l. Okay, it's a 9 characters. Now I'm going to create one alias. Nu is equal to single quotes cat $1 wcfnl. Now nu file. Okay, it's 9. Okay, how many aliases I have? Just aliases, enter. So these are the aliases I have. How to remove alias? Using unalias. Nu unalias C. Now press C. It's a command error. Okay, history is also command to give the previous what I entered in the history commands. Okay, for example, history I need only three outputs. So last 3 10. Okay, now create one sample program. Vim is the editor to write anything on the file. Sorry, this one is already exist. Now I am in escape mode. When I press I, it will go into the insert mode. After completing my work, then I press escape. Now I am going to save and exit. Shift colon W. W means save. Shift colon Q means quit. Or I can use Shift WQ. Okay. Now clear is the command to clear the screen, right? Then print date pwd cal. Press escape. Then I'm going to escape mode. Shift colon WQ. Okay, cat shell program 1. So here what I write some commands of Unix. Now I'm going to execute this one. How to execute? Sh shell. This is the one. Or is it having write permission? Sorry, executable permission? No. Here nothing. So anywhere executable permission is not yet given. So now we are going to add executable permission of root only user only 75544, sorry, 744. Okay, now root user can execute this program slash dot slash shell. Okay, this is also one way. One more way, move the shell script to slash bin. Okay, just shell. Okay, this is the one. Just I'm moving back. Here sh shell, this is the one, dot slash shell, second one, or moving to the bin directory, directly use that file name. So I'm in the root user. Okay, now I'm going to switch another user. when we log in a user, by default the bash.history, bash.profile, bash.underscore logout files is already exist. What is this? When these programs are executed, by default when we log in, the bash underscore profile is automatically logged in. Example, echo. This is some output. When I press exit, now I'm going to log in. So this will execute at the time of login. Okay. The logout is also a command. The bash underscore logout is also file that is executed when we log out the user. Echo bye bye. When I press exit, see, bye bye. Okay. What is meant by echo? Echo means just display whatever after the echo. In double quotes also it will display. Okay. Now I'm going to display today is date. What happened? So why? Because date is the command when we are in shell, right? So in echo, how this will execute using back till. That exists before numeric 1. This tilde, so backtick. So today date is, so this tilde means it will execute out of the echo command. Echo /n user. So here escape characters are not work. Why? Because here e means it will execute escape characters. We can use whatever we want. Now variables. What is variable? Variable is a just name or memory allocation name. It's a temporary storage location only. Its value can be changed during the program. Here in shell there is no data types. Each and every variable treated as a string only. Example, a is equal to 100, b is equal to 1.5, c is equal to Unix, d is equal to per channel. Okay, echo a means it will just display a only. So how I get this one? Using dollar b c d. Now I am giving one keyword to one variable k equal to ls. Ls means it will display everything. Okay, now I am going to use in echo k, just k, echo $k what it contains. Now I'm going to execute this echo out of the echo. So till backtick. Okay. Now, for example, variable can be vary during the program, right? Now, my variable cannot be modified entire the program. That's why I use read only a echo $a that we already defined, right? A is equal to 20, so it's a read only variable. Okay. Now, read is the one variable. Sorry, this is a keyword to accept the input from user. It's waiting for the variable name contains. I supposed to supply any characters, numbers, or whatever input is required. Now echo $var1. So read is the command, read is the keyword to accept the input from user. Now export. Export is the keyword. This export will export entire shells. For example, let's see here echo $a means 100. Okay, now I am changing shell. Okay, echo $a nothing because a is not defined in this shell. So exit export a. Now I'm moving to the new shell echo $a. Okay, echo $b. Why? Because we are not exporting b variable. Echo $b, here value is there. Now echo $ps1. What is this ps1? Yeah, before the dollar symbol, what it contains, and that is the ps1. We can change whatever you want. ps equal to sorry ps1. Okay, now see, just it will display this one echo dollar ps1. Okay, now operators. Every programming have plus, minus, multiplication, and division, percentage, right? Here also Unix is also have. For example, a equal to 100, sorry, a already 100, so b equal to 20. Now echo $a plus $b. Why? Because all are string only. Before that, just see arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, and percentage, right? Relational operators are for the numeric comparison and string comparison are there. Relational for numeric FNLT less than FNLE less than or equal to GT greater than or greater than or equal to EQ means equal to NE means not equal to. For string less than greater than equal to not equal to. This is a 1, this is a 2, 3 logical operators, that is A logical and logical or and not. Fourth one is assignment operators, that is equal to. Okay, these are the 4 operators. Now let's try. So here what happened, every variable is a string, so that's why it's not combined. So because of that, echo expr expression $a plus $b. See here, $a, there must be a space after operator, then space. Okay, minus. Okay, what about star? It's a syntax error. Why? Because this one 100 plus 20, right? So this one. Okay, b is equal to 3, for example. Percentage means a reminder. Let's try with some examples. Sorry, alias. Okay, yeah. VIM first.sh. Here extension whatever you want, just our convenience only, convenient only. You can give whatever you want. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Echo A value is $a. Echo B value is $B. So then change the executable permission first, then first. Okay, here whatever the variables given, that's the only static one. Now I supposed to give in between when the executing the program. Let's see. Okay, now read a, before that echo, enter the value for a /t. /t means tab space is there, so fne, read a, echo fne, enter the value for b /t, read b, echo after a value is $a, echo after b value is $b. Now execute, it's waiting. 33, 44. Okay.